Okay, guys, gals, friends, family, Steve Patton with General Patton's Bushcraft back with you, and I'm super excited. I just got back from shooting this awesome BB gun, and today I got a gear close-up for you guys. We're talking about the Bushmaster MPW. This is a CO2 powered BB rifle. Okay, it takes two 12-gram CO2 cartridges right here in the magazine. Two of them go in the magazine. That's also where the BBs go. Up to 430 feet per second, 430 FPS is not too bad, and up to 1,400 rounds per minute. But the best thing about this Bushmaster BB gun is full auto blowback action. Again, I want to thank you guys for stopping by the channel. Please subscribe. Hit that bell icon. Leave me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Most importantly, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Let's go ahead and unbox this Bushmaster MPW full auto BB gun. Come along with me, friends. Here we go. Here it is. Let me give you an up close personal on this bad boy right here. Here we go. Okay. It's got a red dot sight on the top and an adjustable rear stock. Okay. This is what it looks like when you unbox this bad boy. Instruction booklet. Okay. Magazine. This is the speed loader. You fill this full of BBs right in here. This goes on this magazine like that. Push this down and load the magazine. Okay. This over here is the red dot sight. We'll go ahead and leave that in there still. Okay. Okay, back with you guys. We got this beautiful Bushmaster BB gun unboxed. Giving you guys a close-up of this. Now this is my personal toy, and I've accessorized it a little bit. I have added the A2 grip plug from Missouri Tactical Products. That's this grip plug on the bottom right here, friends and family, guys, gals. This is the hollow handle of this Bushmaster. Now we can maybe put some BBs in there or an extra CO2 cartridge, but I really like this A2 handle plug. Creates a secret compartment for this thing where we can stash items. The second thing that I got was this tactical grip sleeve right here. Okay, pretty cool, little extra grip. The third item that I got for my personal Bushmaster BB gun is this Monopod on the bottom of this clip. That's another product from Missouri Tactical. It's called a Mag Assist or a Monopod. The third item that I put on this BB gun is the flashlight. I put a 500 lumens LED light on there. Okay. Home protection. Bolts onto the rail system. And I have the red dot sight that comes with this gun installed. I think this unit is pretty cool. It has a 6-position adjustable stock on it. Okay, there it is. I'm going to include some footage of me taking this down to the river and shooting this bad boy. It shoots realistic. It is extremely fun to shoot. I can't fire it off back here in my studio, but enjoy the footage that comes along with this Bushmaster MPW fully auto BB gun. And I'm going to tell you one thing, this thing is a lot of fun to shoot. Very realistic sounding, and it's heavy. It feels very realistic. All right, thanks for stopping by the channel. Please hit that bell icon. Please subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Most importantly, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know about your BB gun. Is it fully auto? This one is fully auto. Enjoy that footage. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, thanks for sticking with us. Guys, gals, friends, family. Back with you. We're out here on location now. Rio Salado Preservation Habitat on Central downtown Phoenix, Arizona. We're bringing you a treat. We showed you that BB gun. Okay, that's the Crosman Bushmaster BB gun. We bought some toys out here today. We're going to show you what the lineup is. Take a look. We got that smiley face balloon. We got Home Sweet Home, because we're down here in the home of these river dwellers. We have this chocolate snack pack, hand sanitizer, bubbles. We got a B12 vitamin shot, some instant noodles, some crackers, some more bubbles. Let's see what these guns can do. Take a look at those big fish out there. We might have to pop a couple of those. Okay, here it is. I'll put some links below. I put the pistol grip. I got this bipod that goes on the bottom of your clip. Got that light on that rail system. The red dot sight on top. Here we go. Put this on full auto.